Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to be doing this squishy review. I don't know if I put this on my channel or not. Well, I don't care. I'm just going to do it again. So, I got this when I was 8, and this is what happened. I was jealous because I saw people on YouTube had squishies. And I wanted one, but this is my first squishy. Right now I have 2 squishies. Before I go on to this video, make sure you subscribe to my older sister's channel, Layup Lay. She posts awesome videos and everything, so make sure to subscribe to her, and make sure to subscribe to me and like this video. So, where was I? Oh yes. So, this is what happened. So, I was jealous, and so my iPad, if I go order something, it has all my dad's info. So I ordered it, right? And then I told my dad I accidentally ordered this, even though I didn't accidentally. I did it on accident, which is actually this means this. And he just got kind of angry, and he was like, "How much was it?" And I was just like, "No, Daddy, it's just this much bucks." And then he said, "Okay." Yes. So I got it for like, how much? Oh yes, I got it for like about $4. $4. And my dad, he was just happy it wasn't expensive. So like, yeah. And this is my squishy. It is a owl. So yeah. So this is my squishy. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure again to subscribe to my older sister's channel and my younger sister. Wait, my younger sister doesn't have a YouTube channel. So I just want to surprise someone. They are right here. Hi guys. So yeah.